Hi, hello childrens. I hope all of you are enjoying my videos and the way I am teaching. So I expect all of you to learn the basics maths. Maths is very important in life, and as I usually tell wherever I go, maths is really required in our day-to-day life. If you ask me, what is the like where exactly we use maths and in your day-to-day activities, and if you can ask me the like one example, I will tell you very simple example where you can calculate in mind maybe when you are getting delayed to reach the school. Let's take example first one as your school time bell is 8:30 and you are going to leave home maybe 8:15, but now it's already 8 o'clock and you did not finish your breakfast. Now you are planning to finish the breakfast, you have to get ready or taking by you are going by bicycle, either bicycle or the van, whatever the transport you are using. Okay, let's assume that now 8 o'clock you are already ready and you did not have a breakfast and you will be leaving home but 8:10. The 10 minutes you are going to have a breakfast. In 10 minutes you will be reaching school. Because you know within 10 minutes you can reach your school. 10 minutes you are finished your breakfast. 5 minutes or you may take to climb your steps inside the school or outside the school, or if you are outside the school, if the van is came and drop you and you have to get in, you have to cross the compound. If you have a bicycle, you have to park the bicycle and you have to get in. For that it will take sorry, minimum 5 minutes. So it's 8:25. That means you have a calculation clearly in the mind. Now it's 8 o'clock. You are going to finish breakfast in 10 minutes, and 10 minutes it's required you to reach to the school, and 5 minutes you need a time to climb the steps with parking your bicycle and reach to the your classroom. So this is how you will be calculate. So this is called a maths. This kind of activities you will be get every day, not less than 95%. So each and everywhere, wherever you go, the calculation will be there. So that's how the maths is really needs in our life, and that's why we have to learn each and every one. So that is the concept. So day before yesterday and today, what we have learned is there are 2 days, right? Yesterday and day before yesterday, we learned first the 2 digit to the 8 digit, that is small digit and greatest digit. And yesterday we learned about the ascending and descending order. Now, today I am going to teach you the different question, that is question paper 2010, question number is 53. Okay, question is like this. A lizard, not it's a lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, okay. It's a lizard moves 675 cm 675 cm in 25 minutes. Okay, it moves 675 centimeter in 20 minutes. Now the question is, how much distance will it cover in 1 hour? So you have to analyze very clearly here. The question is slightly twisted. You may not be understand. That you have to put your concentration. I'll give you the option, then I'll tell you what exactly they are trying to manipulate here in the question paper. The question is very simple, but answer is also very simple. You may be get confused. That's why you are unable to answer this kind of questions. Let me I'll give you the option and later I'll explain what is the twist in this question paper. Okay, option A is 16 m stands for meter. B is 16.1 meter. Okay, the C is 16.15 meter, and the D is 16 the D is 16.20 meter. Okay, so these are the four options what we have with us. Clear? The question twist is here, I'll just explain you. Have concentration and observe properly. Fine. A lizard moves 675 centimeters. Okay, keep in mind 675 meters, sorry, centimeters in 25 minutes. Okay, so here centimeter is the duration of the distance they have mentioned in the minutes. That means he is supposed to ask the question in centimeter, or the hour what he has mentioned that he is supposed to ask in minutes, but he is asked in 1 hour. Okay, I'll repeat once. A lizard moves 675 centimeter in 25 minutes. The distance from one place to another place, 675 centimeter. That's in the meter. Here, how much will it cover in 1 hour? So that means he was supposed to give here minutes, but he is not given. He has not given. You just have to clear it very clearly. 25 should be there. That means here 60 minutes should be there, but he has not mentioned. He has mentioned 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how much? It's a 60 minutes. That you have to understand immediately. It's a quick logic. That's called, I will call it as a magic. Okay, you have to immediately calculate. Here 675 centimeter he says, but the options all are in meters. Correct. So for that you have to understand what exactly you have to do. How you can understand this. So that is very, very important. First, understanding the question is important. Second, you have to make it clear how you can solve this question. Okay. Let me just give you some basic idea if I have something. Okay. So before getting into this, you should know at least the basic information. I'll just write it this side. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? You should know of aware of this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Some other things there I'll explain you one by one. That is later. Okay. Prior to that, let's understand how we can solve this question. Okay. The condition is 675 centimeter in 25 minutes. That means what we have to do? We have to divide. Okay. 675 centimeter is equal to 25 minutes. This question mark. Then 1 minute is equal to how much? Okay. This is the question. Because we have to convert into minute. His answer is, his question is itself 1 hour. Right? So 675 centimeter is equal to 25 minutes. That means he has taken that duration. So what we can do is here, we can go with divided by option. 675 divides from 25. 25 twos are 57. 1. Again we will take this down 5. This is how we have learned the division. Right? Okay. So I'll just plan next with which number it will goes. 25 twos are 50. 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. 25 5s are 125. 25 6s are how much? 150. So still it's not going by 125 multiplied by 6. So I'll go with again 7. Next number. 25 7 ja 175. I'll make it easily. I'll just write here 7. 7 5 ja 35. 5 3 is remainder. Okay. Again 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Clear. So there is no remainder. Everything has been cleared. So now the 1 minute is equal to 1 meter is equal to 27 centimeters. Because here in the hourly they are asked the question. That's why we are converting into minutes. I'll just write it in proper way. Then 1 minute is equal to 27 meters. The lizard will move in 1 meter is equal to 27 centimeters. Then he is asking about the 1 hour to reach from this place to another place, that is 1 hour. Then how many meters it will take the distance, or it will cross the distance, or it will travel the distance. Okay, that is what the question is belongs to that. So what we'll do now is, we got the option is clearly 1 minute is equal to 27 centimeter. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then we have to convert this into meter. Then what we are doing, we will write 60 multiplied by 27. So 60 is the minute, 27 is the cm, that is centimeter. So this we are converting into meter. This will convert into, this is minute and this is meter. So 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 ja 42. Again we'll start from here. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 ja 12. So we are going to add here the 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1. So here 16 meter, 16.20 meters. What is the answer? Option C. Clear? It's very easy, but you have to understand it clearly. Okay? I'll explain once again. Clearly. Just have a concentration. Don't see here and there, and don't divert your concentration. Fine? A lizard moves 675 centimeter in 25 minutes. How much will it cover in a hour or 1 hour? Okay? Options are 16 meters. Option B is 16.1 meter. Option C is 16.15 meter. Option D is 16.20 meters. So what we have done? We have done is, what is the distance has been covered by lizard in what minutes? That means 675 centimeter divided by 25 we have taken. That we can write it in this manner or this way also. 675 is equal to 25 minutes. Then 1 minute is equal to 27 centimeter. Okay. So this I have not done. I think division. Yeah, I have done this. Okay. Here it is 27. This is the 27. Fine. So I'll just mark it, or else you will get confused. Clear? This is how we have divided 25 to 675. Okay. The division method you have already learned this, and once we finish that, then we came to know that the lizard has been covered in 1 minute 27 centimeters. In 1 minute it is covering 27 centimeter. That means the question is asking in 1 hour how many meters it's going to be covered. That means we are mentioning here 1 minute is equal to 27 centimeter, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we are converting hour into minutes. That 60 multiplied by 27 is nothing but a 16.20 meters. So this is how you have to understand, and if you know this thoroughly, then you can do it quickly. It's not going to take much time. Okay, you have to do one division, one multiplication. If you are thorough with uh, like table from 2 to 10 at least, it is 25. Okay, that's not a problem. As I told you, you can just multiply by that, you can do it. Okay, I'll show you if the double number comes, and if you know only the 25, sorry, till 20 tables, then what you can do is, as I have taught you earlier, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. What you have to do is, you have to add this and this, it comes 50. Again 25 multiply, add this and this, it comes 75. 25 multiply by 4, you add this and this, it comes 100. 25 multiply by 5, you add this and this, it will come 125. This trick I think I already explained you. This is how you can write the table till 1000 or lakhs. It's not required you to do the by heart, and it's not required you to struggle. It's very simple. If you are going for 25 multiply with 6, is add 125 plus 25 is 150. Go with next step, 25 multiply by 6, 25 add with 150, 175. It's a very simple logic. None of them has taught me. So I have learned my own, and I was thinking, why can't we do this in that? If you can Google it, you cannot get it this. No, somebody they might have done the copy. But I am doing this since beginning almost 10-15 years. That's how I teach my students and whomever they are expecting me to teach the maths. Okay. So this is, we have completed successfully. I will go with the question number 54. The next question is 54. Let us understand what 64 questions says and how we can do it that, and what simple manner we can do it. See, I want you to make it your life easy, and your maths you should be understand clearly. I don't want to make it difficult again, because you are like scared about the maths already, and I don't want you to make it scared once again. Okay, you got my point now. So I expect you to love the maths. If you love the maths, definitely you will learn. Always you have to love whatever you are going to learn, and you should be do each and everything happily only. Then only you can remember easily. Okay, fine. I hope everything has been cleared. I'll just remove it. Next we'll start with question number 54. In arithmetics, initially I may go very slow. In one video, you may get one or two questions. I may solve one or two questions only, because I cannot go with faster, and I am not in hurry to do that. My intention is very clear. All rural candidate or urban candidate, whomever are studying in like government school, private school, any schools, who is going to attend this Navodaya in 2023, this April 29th, everybody should get clear their exam. That's why I am making this very slow, and I am making them to understand with very easy method. I don't want them to get or stuck somewhere. Clear? So as I told you, take 200 paper, 200 page notebook, which is long notebook, and you note down each and every questions and mention clearly what you have learned, and you start writing in your own style or own method, where you can understand easily and where you can grasp. Okay, the same thing. See, I have explained in different way. You may be think in different manner or write in the same like, and you can do it. Clear? So that's what the plan it is. So we'll begin with question number 24. The question number for 24 says, which of the following is equal to, which of the following is is equal to 6.25%. So that means they have already given in the percentage and the options are in the decimals. So here you have to use very simple tricks and logic. You have to understand the question on what basis they are asking and what they are expecting answer from us. Okay. So I will just write answer A. A is 0.625. B is 0.0625. C is 6.25 and D is 6.025. So these are the four options what they have given. Now let us understand how we can do it to get the answer any one of them in out of four. Clear? So questions here is very clear. Which of the following is equal to 6.25%? Oh, so on.